Hello dear students, welcome back in our base mathematics class. Student, today we are going to start our last exercise of 11th chapter, that is 11.4. Student, here one new thing is there that I am not going to write questions on the board. Okay, directly I am reading the questions from the book. So, while solving this exercise, kindly open your book in front of you. Right? So, let's start. The introduction of this exercise is same only like we have done the question of exercise 11.3. The formulas we have used in exercise 11.3, the formulas we are carrying forward in this exercise as well. Right? It means in this exercise again we have the same type of questions. Right? So it is just a practice question or revision question you can say. Right? So let's start the exercise questions of 11.4. The very first question, student, given a cylindrical tank, in which situation you will find surface area and in which situation you will find volume. Means situations are given to you in this question. Okay, you have to tell in this you will find out the surface area or you will find out the volume. The very first part, to find how much it can hold, the cylindrical tank. One cylindrical tank is there, right? A part is there, student, for first question, to find how much it can hold. It can hold means inside how much water can put. So what you will find out? Volume. Yes, it means for very first part, it means the volume of cylindrical tank you have to find out. Here you will no need to take out the values. Only you have to tell condition that what you will find out. Okay. The second part, number of cement bag required to plaster it. This tank is there. You have to plaster it. Okay. So find out the number of bags. So what you will find out? Volume or surface area? Obvious, surface area. It means B part, you will find out the surface area. Right? The third part we have to find out the number of smaller tanks can be filled with water from it. Again, see, this is a cylinder tank. With the help of this cylinder tank, you will fill smaller tanks. Water you will fill into the smaller tanks. So again, how many smaller tanks you will fill into the cylinder tank? It means again you will find out, volume. So it means with the help of this, these are very simple. According to given condition, easily you can find out that surface area you have to find out or volume. Right? So accordingly you have to put the formula. Very simple question, student. So this is all about our first solution. Right? Now, question number 2, student. We have two cylinders, cylinder A and cylinder B. Right? Have a look in your books, everyone. Diameter of cylinder A is 7 cm and height is 14 cm. Height and this is given to in the same way. Second cylinder is also given to you, diameter and height. Right? Without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Verify it by finding the volume for both the cylinder and check whether the cylinder with greater volume has the greater surface area. Simply, the question is you need to find out the volume. और जिसका volume ज़्यादा है, you have to see उसका ही surface area ज़्यादा है या नहीं. It means you will take out the surface area also. Whose? Of cylinder. It means directly you will put the formula. First of all, volume of cylinder A, volume of cylinder B. जिसका आंसर ज़्यादा, that cylinder has greater volume. Then you have to see for the surface area as well. It means surface area for cylinder A, surface area for cylinder B. You have to check. Then you have to check whose volume is greater. The same cylinder has a greater surface area or not. That's it. Then you conclude, yes, the greater volume cylinder has a greater surface area. It means, student, what you will do? Only formula. Right? Very simple question, no? So, student, you can find out by your own. Volume of cylinder, you know, pi r square h, pi 22 by 7 r for cylinder A. This is 7. R is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 centimeter. I have written RA means of cylinder A. Right? And RB Radius for cylinder B, this is 14 centimeters. So it means 14 by 2, that is 7. The value will be different according to given condition. You have to take out the R. H, here is H 14, here is H 7. So directly put the values into the formula, get the answer. Then you will go in the surface area. What is the surface area of cylinder? 2 pi R, R plus H. So R value you know, H value you know. Okay student, you just do the calculation only for that. I hope you understood. These questions are very simple only. You just put the formula and do the calculation. Right question you will solve very nicely in your notebook. I have discussed with you all. There is nothing, only calculations are there. Okay. So this part you will solve by your own. So this was about question number 2. Coming to our next question. Student, coming to our question number 3. See, one cuboid you have. Okay. And for this cuboid, base area is given to you. Base area. Student, what is base area? Base area is length into breadth. It means length and breadth is given to you 180 centimeters square. That is why square is there. 1 unit of length, 1 unit of breadth. So base area means length into breadth, right? And volume of this cuboid is given to you. You need to find out the height. This height. Length and breadth is given to you. Height you need to find out. You know volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Is given to you 900 centimeter cube. Base area means length into breadth. So length into breadth is given to you 180 centimeter square. And height you don't know. So easily you will find out the height. Yes, 180 will go that side by 180 is equals to H. See student, it is centimeter cube and it is centimeter square. Centimeter cube will cancel out with centimeter cube. Only 1 centimeter will left because cube means centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. And square means this only, right? It means two values cancel out with only centimeter is left. And height unit is only 1 centimeter only. Right students? So logically the unit will come. Not like this only. Right? Now you will cut 0, 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. It means height is 5 centimeter. That's it student. Very simple, no? So always the question are of same kind only. Everything is given to you. You just put the formula and give the values. That's it. Okay. So I hope you understood this. This was about question number 3. Coming to our next question. Now coming to our question number 4 student. Again very simple question. The same type of question we had done earlier also. See, have a look. In the book, a cuboid is of dimension 60 into 54 into 30. A cuboid dimension is this, 60 into 54 into 30. It means length, breadth, height. Right student? And how many small cube with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? Student? See student, it means the small cube you want to put inside it. Okay, it means the number of small cube. How many number of these cubes you can put inside this cuboid? Right? And side is given to you 6. It means cube, it means all sides are same. Length also, breadth also and height also. Right student? Length of cube, breadth of cube 6 centimeter and height of cube is also 6 centimeter. So this is already you know. Right? So how many you can put is number of cubes. Student, whenever you have to find out the number of things, so how you will find out कि basic चीज क्या है, किसमें हमने use करना है, that is volume of cuboid divide by volume of one cube. Right student? Always the number of things in the same manner, number of tiles you have to put inside the room. So volume of area of room divided by area of one tile. So the same manner here, right? Number of things, number of cubes, volume of cuboid divided by volume of one cube. Right student? Volume of cuboid you can do, either you can take out volume of cuboid separately, directly put into the formula, or here you can solve cuboid 60 into 54 into 30 because length into breadth into height divide by 6 into 6 into 6 because centimeter cube will cancel out with centimeter cube. Number of cube we want in number only. How? Because unit are being cancelled out. Right student? Now you will just do the calculation and you will get the answer. 6 5s are 30, 6 9s are 54, 6 1s are 6 and 10. It means 90, 95s are 450. It means 450 cubes you can put inside this cuboid. Have you seen student? Questions are very simple only. No? Everything is given to you. You just put the formula and put the values. Right? About our question number 4. Question number 5. Again very simple question student. This is homework for you. You can read it and you can solve it. Everything is mentioned to you into the question. Put the formula, write formula into it. Right? So this was about question number 4 and 5. Coming to our next question. Now student, coming to our question number 6. Please have a look in your book. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. One cylindrical tank is there, right? Radius is given to you and height. Length means height only, right? Height is given to you 7 meter. What you need to find out? Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. This means quantity of milk into it. And you know student, milk, it is in liquid, so liquid always imagine in liters only, right? But here we have terms, yes, meters only. First of all we have to take out volume, कि जितना volume होगा उतना ही उसका milk आएगा उसमें, right student? So first of all we will take out the volume of this cylinder, right? So let's start. Volume of cylindrical tank is pi r square h. We know the volume, right? Pi r value is given to you 1.5 meter and h is given to you 7 meter. Right student? 7 cancel out with 7. 5 into 1.5, 2.25. 2.25 into 22. The value is 49.5 meter cube. The volume of this cylindrical tank is 49.5 meter cube. जितना भी volume है उतना ही इसमें milk आएगा. But student, the question is you have to find out the milk stored into tank in liters. So it means this meter cube you will convert into liter. Obvious, like centimeter में question है, question asking in meter, you will convert. So obvious in the same manner here we will convert. So to convert 1 meter cube into liters, we have formula that 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube में 1000 liters होते हैं. So in this much meter cube, how many liters would be there? 49.5 into 1000 liter. Right student? Like this only we are converting. In 1 meter cube, these many liters. So in this much, into 1000. So 495, 10 will cancel out with 10. So you will get 49500. It means 49,500 liter milk will come inside this tank. It means this much quantity, this much liter milk can stored in this cylindrical tank. Right student? Question is very simple. Found the value for the volume of cylinder. But question is asking liter. So this unit we have converted into liters with the help of this formula. Right student? Very simple. So this was about our question number 6. Coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 7. This is a very logical question student. What is the question? See, if each edge of cube is double. Edge means student, you know, if one cube is there, cube each side is same, right student? If each edge of the cube is double, it means if very first it is 1 centimeter, double means 2 centimeter. If it is in 2 centimeter, then double means 4 centimeter, right? When you will double the edge of the cube, A part, how many times will its surface area increase? तो surface area कितना increase होगा? Edge तो double हो गया, तो surface area कितना increase होगा? B part, how many times will its volume increase? Volume में क्या effect पड़ेगा? Volume कितना times increase होगा? How you will find out? Always with the help of one example, right? Suppose very first this one edge is 1 centimeter, right? When the surface area of cube, when edge is 1 centimeter, we have not doubled, it's means in the original position. In its original position, edge is 1 centimeter. So as you know student, the surface area of cube is 6s square. Yes, we know the surface area of cube is 6s square. It means 6 1 square. It means 6 1s are 6. It means 6 centimeter square. But when we double the surface area, then what will happen? See, when the surface area of cube, when edge is 2 centimeter, centimeter means when you will double it. Okay, when you double the surface area, then formula remains same, 6s square, that is 6 into 2 into 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24 centimeter square. Right student, it means when you have double, what effect we got? It is 6. So 6 24. When you multiply with 4, then you get 24. It means when you double the edge of the cube, then the surface area become 4 times. Right student? Very simple. So write down, surface area will increase by 4 times. Right student? A part got, how many times will its surface area increase? Its surface area increase by 4 times. Okay. When you will take here 2 centimeter, then also it will also become 4 times only. You can check it out by your own also. Right student? I hope you got. Okay, this was our A part. Coming to our B part. Now student, for volume, obvious. First we will take example for 1 centimeter only, for 1 unit only. So the volume of cube when edge is 1 centimeter, right? You know volume of cube is side into side into side. Side cube, that is 1 centimeter only. It means the volume of cube when edge is 1 centimeter, it is 1 centimeter only. But when volume of cube when edge is 2 centimeter, it means we double, है ना? बोला है कि edge को double करना है, surface area 4 times increase हुआ है. What about volume? Let's see. Formula is side into side into side. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 centimeter cube. It means how many times it has increased? 8 times. So what you will write? Volume will increase by 8 times. That's it student. Very simple, no? Here the question is in logical form. Okay. When it is double, when it is triple, so what will happen? So first of all, basically you will take for any 1 unit, then you can double it, triple it. So this was about our question number 7. Coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 8 student, please have a look in your book. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liter per minute. If the volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. What question student? One cuboidal. In this shape, what you can say, water reservoir है और पानी उसमें pour कर रहा है, इसके अंदर पानी जा रहा है. Right student? In 1 minute, 60 liter per minute means in 1 minute 60 liter water is pouring into this, yes, cuboidal reservoir. Right? And volume, कितना टोटल वॉल्यूम इसमें, मतलब वाटर कितना कैरी हो सकता है, दैट इज 108 मीटर क्यूब. राइट स्टूडेंट? वॉल्यूम ऑफ रिजर्वर इज गिवन टू यू एंड इन 1 मिनट 60 लीटर वाटर इज पोरिंग इनटू इट. सो इन हाउ मेनी आवर्स, हाउ नंबर ऑफ आवर्स, कितना टाइम लगेगा टू फिल दिस फुल रिजर्वर? How you will find out? First of all, number of hours. How many means number of hours you have to find out. Now student, number of hours पर क्वेश्चन क्या है? मिनट में. So first of all you will convert that in 1 hour how many total water will go into it. कितना घंटे लगेंगे वो तो बाद की बात है. Right student? First of all that in 1 hour, because it is in minute, question is asking how many hours. So first of all, minute you will convert into hours. Okay, in 1 hour, you know, in 1 hour 60 minutes are there. In 1 minute 60 liter. So in 60 minutes, 60 into 60, 6 6 are 36, 1 2. So 3600 liter in 1 hour. Minute in 60 liter, in 1 hour it is 3600 liters. Right, student? Now coming to our next line. What is question? Volume of reservoir. What is the volume of reservoir, student? What is given to you? 108 meter cube. Now see, 108 meter cube. But the water is in liter. It means first of all you will again convert into units, same unit. Okay, you know 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. So it means 108 into 1000 liter. So it will be 108,123 liters. Right, student? It means volume of reservoir in liter is this much. Okay. Now question is number of hours. You know, student, whenever you have to find out number of things, किसके निकालना है? For this reservoir and volume is 108,000 divided by 3600 liter. Right, student? 0 0 cancel out. 6 1s are 36. 36 3s are 108 and 1 0 as it is. It means 30 hours. It means in 30 hours this cuboidal reservoir will fill with the water. Right, student? What we have done, we have just convert the things, make it in the same unit. First of all, minute, asking in hours. So minute we have converted into hours. Right, student? And quantity of the water is given to liter, but the volume is given to in meter cube. So we have converted meter cube into liters. Then we have divided both to take out the number of things. Number of things. Right, student? This step everyone knows. Always we have to take out the number of things with this formula only. Right here, I hope you understood the concept which we have done. With this question number 8, we have completed our exercise 11.4 and we have completed 11th chapter as well. It's my request to you all students, please understand this chapter very nicely because it's very important for your grade 9 as well. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much for watching, students. Bye bye and take care. And yes, please practice the question. Okay?